You are listening to the NOAA Weather Forecast Service, station KGG68, operating on a frequency of 162.4 MHz, serving the Houston metropolitan area. And now, the extended forecast. Today, rain for the entire day, highs in the upper 60s. Tonight, partly cloudy, lows in the upper 50s. Wednesday, mostly cloudy, 20% chance of rain, highs near 75. Wednesday night, patchy fog on ground level, 40% chance of rain. Lows in the mid-60s. Thursday, likely thunderstorms, in the afternoon mostly sunny. Highs around 75. Thursday night, partly cloudy, lows near 40. Friday, mostly sunny. Highs in the... This is station KGG68 with a special news bulletin. Special Alert Statement. Code: Industrial Fire Hazard. The Houston Police Department issued a special alert statement for the Houston Industry Zone. An industrial fire is ongoing at a chemical factory. Fire rescue is on their way to contain the fire. An industrial fire hazard means that toxic material can be exposed to the open world and, due to the fire, up into the air. Residents in a half-mile radius are urged to shut off ventilation systems and shut doors and windows. The Houston Fire Department advises residents to stay away from the area until it's declared safe. No other action from the public is needed. This warning will expire tomorrow morning.